It's been a while since we've done one of these videos. It's the lip swatching video, and what's so special about it is that we have a special guest, and it's my makeup consultant.
Well, hello everybody.
Yay!
Can't wait to start this.
It's been, I think, over a year.
I think so.
Yeah.
It's always fun.
Yeah, I think it's fun. I enjoy it, and I hope you do too. But my makeup consultant is my husband, and when I do these videos, I have several lipsticks here that I want to try, and then he'll let me know if he likes it or not, what he thinks about it, and it's just something fun for us to do, something different, and we hope that it's fun for you too. So the lipsticks that I have to try on is the ones that I recently bought during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I bought several lipsticks from Prada, singles, and a kit, the new Chanel liquid lipsticks, and some lip products from YSL. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11 lipsticks to try.
It's gonna be fun.
We have several colors, several textures, and it's just very exciting that you're here.
Me too. I'm very excited.
Okay, good. So let's get started.
Okay.
All right, so what I'm going to start first is the products from YSL. Now in that haul, I did buy this kit, the Best of YSL Lip Set. Now I did return that because I was looking and I had one product from it, the lip gloss, and I have something similar to it in the lip shine, but in a sample. So I figured I don't need two lip glosses of the same shade, and I have something similar in the sample, so yeah, I did return that one. I guess that just goes to show that I need to check first before I buy something because I have a lot of stuff.
That's a good idea sometimes.
So let's start with this one. It's the YSL Love Shine. Now in that kit, it has the Love Shine Lip Oil Stick in shade 44. And what I have is the High Shine Caring Lipstick, also in the shade 44. So I figured that's not the same, but it's the same shade and probably the same texture, but we'll find out. So it comes in the, very small YSL packaging. Now granted, this one is a lipstick and the one in the kit was a lip oil stick, but I think this has a similar texture because it's kind of very balmy. So here is the shade 44. Yeah, it's very light. I do have the blush in the shade 44, Nude Lavalier, I believe that's how you pronounce it, and I do have the lip gloss. So let's see what this lipstick will do. Ready?
You ready?
All right.
It's really nice. It's light. I think darker looks good.
Yeah, he does like the darker
Yeah,
shades.
but it's nice. It's a very simple for the morning.
Yeah.
Going out.
And the texture is very nice. It is very, very moisturizing.
Does it have a purplish color to it, or
Yeah,
just
I
pink?
guess you could say there's some purple to it. Probably mixed with my lip color. It does something
but
to
it's
it.
nice. I like it actually.
I believe I did take this with me when we went to Japan, and I did wear this a couple of times.
That's why it looks familiar. It looks nice.
I always like to try to take samples whenever we travel. But then halfway during the trip, something happened to my eye, and I stopped wearing makeup the rest of the trip. But hopefully the vlog will explain that whenever I get those up. The High Shine Caring Lipstick by YSL in the shade 44, Nude Lavalier. This is very nice, very moisturizing. So here is the Love Shine Plumping Lip Oil Gloss, which I do have, already had, and also in the shade 44, Nude Lavalier. And here's what the doe foot applicator looks like. It's pretty big. And then here is the gloss. It's a little bit darker.
Yeah, it adds more shine to it. Very nice.
Yeah, and I
Didn't change the color a lot, but
yeah, it's like a clear gloss with just a little hint of pink in there. I don't feel any of the plumping sensation with it. Now it does have a scent like you're in the tropics somewhere, like pineapple or something. Mango. Wants me to go to some tropical island right now.
okay, let's go.
Okay, hey, you heard it here. And this is the Love Shine Plumping Lip Oil Gloss, also in the shade 44, Nude Lavalier. It's been probably about a minute since I've had it on, and I am starting to feel a little heat to it, because this is a lip plumping, and so what it does, it kind of adds cinnamon to make your lips look a little plumper. My lips looks the same size, but I am feeling a little bit of that sensation now. Like a delayed response. Now let's move on to Prada. Nordstrom did have these in the sale. I believe it's something special. It's the Monochrome Soft Matte Lipstick, the Brown series. In that video, I picked up one, but I liked it so much that I went ahead and picked up the other two shades that are in this brown series. And these are not new shades, they're existing shades, just the packaging is a little bit different, has that brown case there. And the shades are B101, B107, and B109. These do cost $50 each, but during the sale it was $37.50. So I figured that's a good time to buy it, because usually Sephora has 20% off, but I believe these were 25% off. So these do have a magnetic closure, which I do like. And let's start with this one, 101. I'll show you the shape of the bullet on the new one that I haven't tried yet, because I want it to be nice and clean for you guys. But again, here is 101. Or B101. This one right here.
Again, it's light, but it's good for, you know, morning outage. It's nice. I like it.
Yeah, it is very nice.
How does it feel when you put it? Smooth?
Yeah,
soft?
it glides on very nice. It's not very thick. This one is, I guess, the soft matte. Yes, the soft matte lipstick, and it's not drying. I think with the lip liner, it will be a little bit more defined, but I do like this nude shade. B101 is Thai Poly, and it's an iconic nude infused with fresh accents of pink. Now let's try B107, and this is the one that I wore during the Nordstrom haul video. And there is B107.
Nice. A little bit darker. It defines your lips very nice. It's very good, actually. I like this color.
Yeah, it's
I
nice.
do like this color, yes.
Thank you. Yeah, I agree. This is a nice color. And again, it's very comfortable on the lips. These do last a little bit, but not like a liquid lip. But I do like this color, which is B107 Sedona, a brownish clay. And the last one is B109, and let me show you what the bullet looks like. You can see it has the Prada triangle there on one side, and the other side is just a regular shape. And on the sides, you can kind of see that there's some pointiness, which kind of helps applying. And there is B109 swatched.
I also like the pink color. Very nice, very nice.
Okay, yeah, this is a very nice pink.
So far, I like everything.
Yeah, this is mostly a pink swatching.
Yeah.
We'll see what we get into the other lipsticks, but so far it's mostly pinks. But this is a nice kind of a springy, summery look.
Yeah, I agree.
B109 is Amaretto, which is a contemporary rosewood.
Very nice description.
The next three lipsticks also from Prada, but it was in this mini lip kit. And it's been going in and out of stock, and right now it's out of stock, but I think the sale will go on for another week, but keep checking if you're interested in this lip kit. So there are three lipsticks in here, all mini size, and these are the Hyper Matte formula. I haven't tried this one yet. I've just tried the soft matte, but many of you said that the Hyper Matte is good. It's not drying, so we'll try it. So you open it up, and here are the lipsticks in here. These do not have a magnetic closure, just a snap. And let's start with this first one.
Okay.
We'll see what this one looks on my lips, but this is U001 Astral Pink. Just kind of like a clear
Yeah,
balm.
I barely see it.
Yeah. It glides on really nice.
It's nice. It didn't change color a lot, but
No.
I thought that you're gonna put it like gonna be like bluish color.
Yeah, I thought so too. It glides on very nice, and wow, it has a nice formula to it on my lips.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, very comfortable on. It's not greasy or anything. I would say it's a little bit nicer than the one from YSL. What do you think?
Yeah, it didn't change the color of your lips, but if you feel good with it, I guess it's good.
I'm looking on the Prada website, not on the Nordstrom website, and it says that U001 Astral Pink is a blushing care lip balm. So it's not a hyper matte lipstick like what on the Nordstrom website says. You know, this is nice to travel with.
Yeah.
So again, this is U001 Astral Pink, which is a lip balm. Now let's go into B02, which is quartz. And here's what the shape of the lipstick looks like. Just a regular lipstick. I think in the mini size they don't do the Prada shape. So here's B02 quartz. All right, what do you think?
Oh, that's pink.
Yes.
You know me, I like darker lip color.
Yeah, this one's a little bit
Yeah.
light and definitely needs a lip liner, but it's not bad. It's a nice shade, but
Yeah, it's not bad. And that's my personal thing. I like the darker color.
that's okay.
Sorry.
No, don't be sorry. This is B02 Quartz, which is a coral pink. Now this is the one I couldn't wait to try. It's B03 Mahogany.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice one.
Oh yeah, B03 Mahogany. All right, ready for this one?
Now we're talking. I love this one.
Yeah, this is a nice one. That'd be good for
It
the
looks
fall.
very good with the makeup that you have. It's tone of your, color and everything like this. It's just beautiful. Not saying that the other ones are not beautiful, but this is really show it.
Okay, there you go. Oh, you're doing such a good job, makeup
Oh,
consultant. No, this one is nice. This is kind of like a brick red. And I hope you can see the texture between these hyper mattes against the soft matte from Prada. This is B03 Mahogany, which is a brick red. Yeah, I kind of like this one. I don't want to take it off.
Yeah, I like it. I like it.
And the last three, these are new shades from Chanel, and it's the Rouge Allure Liquid Velvet lipsticks. These weren't part of the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale, just new shades that came out, and I thought, let me just go ahead and get it during the sale.
Why not?
So there were 3 new shades, and I picked them all.
Of course.
And I have tried these before, and I do like the formula. It's very nice on the lips. It's not drying. So let's start with this one, number 238. These are French names, and I know I'm not going to say them right. It's the first time for me to see this color. And this is what it looks like. It comes in the frosted glass, and that's what the doe foot applicator looks like. Put you here. Again, this is number 238. I got a lot of pink shades going on here.
I don't see a lot of difference in the shade of pink that you had before.
Yeah, it does look similar.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, it does look similar. The one from Prada and the one from YSL.
Yeah, almost the same color.
Yeah, almost the same color. Just
But how soft when you apply it? Is it better, worse?
This one's more of a liquid lip. Once it dries down, it pretty much stays on a little bit longer than the regular lipsticks.
Okay, so there's some difference.
Yeah, even though it's the same shades, there's different textures, different types.
Nice, still good.
Yeah. This is the Rouge Allure Liquid Velvet Lip by Chanel, number 238. We're going for 242, and I'm not going to even try to say this name. I'm just going to put it on the screen so you can
Just to
see.
give it a try.
Oh, no. There's no way I can say this one. All right. This one's a little bit deeper here. You here again with the pinks.
Yeah, it's a little bit darker. It's more defining to your lips. It's very nice. I like this one.
Yeah, this one's nice. Again, the Rouge Allure Liquid Velvet in shade 242. I'm not going to even pronounce the name. And now we're on to the last one. It's number 244. I'm not going to even try to pronounce this one, because when I saw it, I thought it was Palpatine, which, you know, the villain from Star Wars. But it's not. Let me show you the name on the box. Yeah, it's not Palpatine. We got a lot of pink shades going on. Let's see what you looks like. Ooh.
I like this. I like this too. Very nice. Very elegant.
Oh.
Very nice. Beautiful.
Well, thank you. Yeah, this one is a pretty shade. I like this, kind of like a deeper pink from just the 3 shades here. And pretty much all of them are pink shades except for this one, which was Mahogany from Prada. But this one's really pretty.
Yeah, I like it one.
It could be for spring, summer, fall. And the last one is 244. And again, not going to pronounce the name. All right, we are done. So do you have a favorite one?
I like 2 colors. The brick red, mahogany.
This one? Okay.
And actually 3 colors. And the last 2 that you tried.
These 2 right here.
And the other pinks are good, but I didn't see a lot of difference in the color pink. But, you know, everything you try today, I like it. But these are my 3 favorite ones.
Okay, so these 3 right here.
Good.
Good job, baby. Thank you so much for doing this.
Oh, it's my pleasure. I love it.
So this is the part where I try to get them in front of the camera so you can meet them.
Do I have to?
Yes.
I think I'm better behind the camera.
No, you're not. So let me just kind of zoom out and we'll get you up here.
Okay.
Here is my makeup consultant.
Hello, everyone.
Of course, some of them have met you before with our travel vlogs and other previous makeup lip swatching videos.
Yeah, it's always fun.
Yeah.
It's always fun.
Thank you
It's
so
very
much.
seldom to watch you putting this stuff, lips thing, but it's fun. I usually see the end product, but I don't see the process.
You like to see the sausage being made, I guess. But thank you so much for doing this.
Oh, my pleasure. I love it.
It's fun. I love it.
Always fun.
Another thing that we always try to do is see if this lipstick is transfer proof.
Oh,
So
my favorite part.
come here. Mwah. All right.
Still have some.
but it's still on the lips. And yeah, this one's a pretty color.
Yeah, I like it.
Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this lip swatching video with my makeup consultant, also known as my husband. Thank you, Shawkat, for doing this.
Oh, thank you. My pleasure.
So if you liked and enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.
Bye.